So now we've got another computer here. It's an invisible Dell from the future. Well, I'll put it in the bag actually, because customer brought it in. I had a quick inspection while they were here. Disgustingo. Okay. So what happened was, this one had some bugs in it a long time ago, and they had it cleaned. Anyway, the issue now is it turns on. By the way, that spray is what I sprayed on it. Kept it in the bag for some time because I fear some foreign objects may come out. This is alcohol. And I kept it in the bag for some time. That usually kills any bugs that may still be in there. So if you're eating, don't watch this video. Hopefully my lunch won't come out. But the issue is it turns on and then turns off. But fan's still on. And this is a test I did with the client here. Caps lock nothing. Connect USB, it's on. The fan is spinning. You might be able to hear it. Okay. Had a quick look while they were here. The fan was still spinning. Okay. Now, where did I put a screwdriver? If I can find it, here we go. What do you got, Harry? Let me have a look. All right. Yeah, this gentleman emailed me May 11, which I then replied back, but they were waiting further notice from me or something. Anyway. And I was waiting for them and they were waiting for me. Chicken and the egg. Never gonna happen. Okay. Plug in the power, which goes to the side. So I've just removed the battery. Same thing. Okay. Remove that. Remove that. And they'll... So the reason why I did a cleanup is I did see if it's still here. Some legs of bugs. It's gone. Okay. Anyway, so power button is here. Power button 2 times. Plug it in. I didn't power it on. It did this by itself. We should get some diagnostics. Lights, here we go. In the front, so... Two and the 4. Most likely could be CMOS battery, because this laptop is a bitch. It just wants its 3.3 volt battery for whatever reason. Okay. Okay, it's turned on by itself. I haven't turned it on. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Let's have a look what it means. RAM failure. Okay, interesting. Let's see if that's the case. Oh yeah. Oh sheesh. Alright. Definitely bugs. So as you can see, more bugs. I'm scared to open it further. It's gonna be bugs everywhere. But ideally do a full cleanup, eh? So that is a DDR4 and that is a 16 gig, okay. So 16 gig DDR4 is this candidate here. There we go. Okay, so we should have a working system. I'll give a quotation to the client to see what they want to do. Or same problem. Maybe it's programming itself. That's fine. Let's wait a bit more. Interesting. Should come on. It turned off. Okay, it could be programming itself. I'm not going to touch. Yes. Okay, fantastic. Alright, I'll give a quotation to client to put a new RAM, and also I would recommend doing a full cleanup of the inside. Delicious. Okay. Anyway, one moment. I'll pause the video. If they want to go ahead, we'll do a full cleanup together. Okay. So we haven't heard back from the client yet, so I'm going to end the video as part 1. And if they want to go ahead, we'll do the part 2 of cleanup. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.